For all these 3 counts, we have decided to inflict her with only one sentence, that is sentence of death. Accused Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal and accused Chaudhry Abdullah Al Mamun. Accused Asaduzzaman Khan Kamal is liable for committing crime against humanity.
Dummy election in January 2024 without allowing the political parties to participate. In 2024, the student dance participation of the accused in the alleged atrocities, the accused are liable for their abstention from taking measures which come within the purview of joint criminal enterprise.